Alright folks, let's dive straight into it. How to make a yacht resume that stands out. First thing, layout. Keep it clean and simple. Use sections for contact info, experience, qualifications, and references. A cluttered resume is a nightmare to read, so avoid it at all costs. Next, your contact info. Make sure it's up to date. Include your full name, phone number, email, and current location. If you have a professional LinkedIn profile, add that too. Now, experience. List your most recent job first, and be specific. Mention the yacht's name, your role, and the duration of your employment. For instance, Chief Stewardess, M.Y. Serene, June 2022, May 2024. Highlight any notable responsibilities or achievements. If you managed a team or organized events, make sure to mention that. Skills and qualifications come next. Include relevant certifications like STCW, ENG1, or any specialty courses. Also, note any languages you speak or unique skills like bartending or diving. These can set you apart from other candidates. References are gold in the yachting industry. Always have at least two, preferably from your most recent employers. Make sure to get their permission first and provide their full name, position, and contact info. Finally, format your resume as a PDF. It's professional and ensures your layout stays intact. Naming the file correctly is also important. Use your name and the position you're applying for, like John_Doe_deckhand, PDF. Remember, your resume is your first impression. Make it count. Keep it professional, detailed, and tailored to the yachting industry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips. Until next time, happy job hunting.